Now that you know how to change customers, you also need to know how to find customers. If you click on the Change Customers page, you have a few options to search for customers. However, you can perform a more in-depth search by going to the Order Search page. We will begin from the Customer Service homepage. From the Customer Service home screen, click on Order Search. From the Order Search page, I can find everything I need to find. I can look for the customer or order number here. When I put in order number 1201 and I press Search, I am taken to order number 1201. To return to the Order Search page, I click on the Order Search icon at the top of the page. When I put in customer number 163 and press Search, I am taken to order number 1203. To return to the Order Search page, I hover my mouse over Customer Service and press Order Search. If I want to search for an item number, I enter the number 1 in the item number field and press Contains and click Search. This pulls up a lot of information. I want to find Candy Cane Lane's order of Snickers this way. Here I have quote number 36. To return to the order search, I click Customer Service, then I click Order Search. I can search by a variety of criteria just by entering a little bit of information into the fields and selecting the radio buttons on the right. I return to the Order Search page. I know the customer's name begins with the letter A. I put the letter A in the field next to customer name and press Begins with. Then I press Search. I am taken to a list of customers whose names begin with A. Whatever information the customer provides, you can search for it from the Order Search page. You can enter the order number, the invoice number, the purchase order, the item number, any information about the customer from number, name, address, city, zip, and then the ship to information, ship to name, address, city, zip. In review, entering information into the Order Search page will result in finding customers' information.